It's knocking at your door. Time to open it up. Here's your chance. Network Capital standing by. No lender fees. Quick closings. Your next better payment, it might not be until March. Here's their number. 855 on radio.
All right, well, now it's time for, my other favorite part of the show, recent results. Oh, these are the best. They make me so happy. And sometimes you give me a few little precious details, like where the family took the trip, or did one of them, what kind of car they got? I don't know. Sometimes you give me a little something.
Yeah, I usually kind of reach out to a lot of the bankers and ask, certain customers aren't going to dive too deep. Everyone's private. So, you got to respect people's thresholds. So, some we know a lot more because people are so thrilled. They're going to be more open book. Others want to be more private. So, I can't give you guys all the details of all these deals. They wouldn't allow it. Wish I could. But for this one, it's a 30-year or 30-year fixed. They went up in rate, down in payment. They got an escrow refund, next better payment, closed in 11 business days, cashed out and paid off over $59,000 in credit card debts, cashed out and paid off the remaining $8,000 on the car note. And then I like this idea. They cashed out $42,500 and some change to do some home improvements. Seems to be a trend, seems to be what everybody's doing, especially if you could pay less per month on your mortgage and still get the cash to do the upgrades. It's like, how could you say no to that? We're seeing a lot of calls to 855 on radio asking for the home improvement savings idea. But this caller, this customer from the Mortgage Radio Show, Los Angeles, California, KFI 640 AM radio. The call came in around 5 to 6 p.m. on a Saturday. They were looking to save money. Well, they got $633 a month in savings. That's $7,600 a year, $15,200 basically in 2 years, if that's how long it takes. If they want to pay what they were doing before the call, they still would have the cash for home improvements. They would still get the fresh start. They would still get the credit enhancer. But instead of having the home paid off in 27 and a half years, they'd actually have the home paid off in 20 years, 4 months, saving them $249,000. That's why I'm so pumped to still, even if I have to go up in rate on your house, but I can take advantage of all the horrible rates on personal loans, credit cards, car notes, collections, investment properties, as long as we're putting you in the idea. Call to find out which one of these programs is actually going to max out your savings today. The number for Network Capital, a lifestyle brand, someone that cares, it's 855 on radio.
Well, Sean, here we are in December, and we've already talked about some of the trends, which is it's swipe season. Or you know what? Now they don't even. Whatever. You understand. It's the season for charge it.